Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. We just got in our Clean Gear UV torch lights. We got a whole shipment. They just finally came in. It's been, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 months in the making. We went through, I think, 6 or 7 different prototypes, and this is the final result that we came up with. So I'm really excited to get this out on the website and out for sale on the market for you guys. It's a really nice light, premium quality, very expensive parts, very expensive LEDs. So this is top grade. It's not going to be your cheap $150 light. This is going to be something that's a professional light you're going to use to make a lot of money finding urine throughout the whole room, and maybe even on upholstery or other areas that you may not have thought of in the past. So great light. You guys are going to love this. So I'm going to open it up. This is the I guess you can quote-unquote unboxing video. Again, Clean Gear UV torch. Ryan Kettering made this awesome little logo here that we put in the beginning of it. So shout out to Ryan Kettering. He does a great job with design. So we threw that on the label. We have a little caution statement there, of course, because it is a UV device and it's very bright. So opening up the clips, real quick, it's a very durable case. So it's not some cheap quality plastic case that bends and flexes and doesn't line up when you close. It's a top quality case too. So of course you got your handle here. So it's we're all about quality here. Open it up. Inside you have your batteries with the male ends up, or positive terminals up. You've got your yellow safety glasses that are form-fitting to your face, so they actually are very comfortable. The nose part here is flexible, so these are nice glasses. Put them in this way. We have the light that we'll get back to in just a moment. We have a wall charger cord. We also have a car charger cord. I don't think any of our competitors have the car charger, so this is a great feature for you guys. So just plug in your van if you need to charge on the go, or if you get the charge, while you're at a job, you can plug it in really quick in your van or the customer's home, either or. So the batteries are going to here, and on the nose piece you have your car charger port and your wall charger port. When you're charging these, you want to make sure your positive is up. There's a little diagram, you probably can't see it in the video, but positive and negative. So when you load these in, make sure your white ring is your positive is up, just like that. And when you plug it in, you'll see the LED indicators giving the status of the charge. Notice these are very large batteries. They're 500 milliamp batteries. They're 26650 3.7 volt batteries. They will last quite a while. So that's the charger, wall cord, and your car charger cord with the expansion, so depending on where you put it in your car or your van. So next we're going to move on to the light. We also have a wrist lanyard you can put on the back end of this if you like the wrist lanyard. I personally don't, so I probably won't even use it, but for some people that do, feel free. It is splash resistant, it is water resistant. It's not waterproof, so don't go diving with it, but certainly if you get water on it, it's not going to be an issue. The switch is a variable adjusting switch here, so it's basically like a dim switch. It's not just going to be on off, it's brighter, 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 brightest, I guess. The head of it, we have an obscure lens, so you're not going to have that really bright center and then kind of dim ring around the outside that's like blinding in the middle. So this will be a nice obscure visual, and you can see the entire floor. You don't have to worry about the blind spot in the middle, because you're always looking in the middle, but when you light this up, you're going to see the whole room anyway. So we'll get these batteries put in here. And the great thing about this light, it's got 5 LEDs, 5 watts each. So it's a 25 watt flashlight. So notice there's no really bright beam in the center here. I'll do a video later on some actual carpet. We don't have any carpet here at the shop. It's just concrete and boxes and carts and my winter jacket behind me, of course. But that's the light, variable brightness. And it's definitely a premium quality, premium grade. Very, very good results in the full room spectrum. So this light retails, after everything's said and done, for $350. Right now I do have it on sale for $300 for first time buyers. and we also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're kind of unsure because of the price, well, first off, it's a very expensive light, not just because we're selling it for a lot, but it costs us a lot too, primarily because the LEDs, you know, they're very expensive. Of course, they're top quality LEDs, so they're not the cheap, you know, eBay lights that you're getting for $10 for sure. So the $350 retail, on sale for $300 until the end of the week. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you try it, you don't like it, you know, within 30 days, send it back. I'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So, but you know, I highly doubt that'll be an issue. I'm pretty sure anyone who gets it will want to keep it. The only variance of that is they may not want to spend the money. But again, this light is not for someone just looking for a bargain, looking for a deal. This light is designed for the cleaner who wants top quality, top results, and they want to make the most money cleaning urine, because this will certainly find the most urine spots compared to our competitors. When you're storing this, take the batteries out. Whoops. Put them back in the case like this. It'll prevent draining the batteries while it's in the light, just in case the switch is partially on. So in transit, that's how you want to store your light. Close it back up, snap the clips closed. That's it. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Our website is www.cleanprosupply.com. You can also shoot me an email if you have any questions. It's just sales@cleanprosupply.com or dave@cleanprosupply.com. My personal cell phone number, if you ever want to reach out, is 585-736-7473. You can also send me a private message on Facebook as well. So whatever works best for you guys, I'm here for you if you have any questions. Have a good day. Thanks.